Motorcycle throttle locks, how much should you really spend? I've seen guys drop $200 thinking it's bulletproof, while others grab a $15 and wonder why it breaks in a week. The truth, price doesn't always mean protection. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually keeps your bike safe without wasting your cash. Product number 1, Crampbuster CB4. First up, the Crampbuster CB4, a $14 plastic hand rubber throttle assist that looks more like a training aid than a security device. It clamps onto your throttle grip and gives you a little lever to rest your hand on during long rides. Honestly, it's not really a lock at all, it's a cruise assist. But for short highway stretches or reducing hand fatigue, it's shockingly simple and effective. It fits almost any motorcycle with a universal design, weighs less than an ounce, and installs in seconds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're doing a cross-state ride and your hand starts cramping after 2 hours, this tiny thing can save your trip. It doesn't stop theft, but it does help you ride longer without pain. Now, some people complain it slips on thicker grips or vibrates loose on rough roads. Here's the thing though, it comes with a silicone ring to increase friction, and if you tighten it right, it stays put. Just don't expect it to hold up under heavy vibration or extreme weather. This is perfect for you if you want a cheap, no-frills way to reduce fatigue on long rides. Skip this one if you're looking for actual anti-theft protection. It won't stop a thief, not even close. For $14, it's solid value if you understand what it actually does. Product number 2, Atlas Top Kit. Now, if the Crampbuster felt too flimsy, the Atlas Throttle Lock Top Kit is the complete opposite, $199 worth of precision machined steel and mechanical genius. This isn't just a throttle lock, it's a full cruise control system you activate with your thumb. Once engaged, it holds your speed steady without you touching the throttle, and you can still adjust speed incrementally. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're touring hundreds of miles a day, your hand shouldn't be the weakest link. This system gives you true cruise control like a car, reducing fatigue and letting you focus on the road. It's rated for serious riders, over 100 bought last month, and it's not discontinued, so support is solid. Now, some people complain about the price or the installation taking time. Here's the thing though, this isn't a $20 accessory, it's a long-term investment in comfort and control. If you're putting serious miles on your bike, the cost per ride drops fast. This is perfect for you if you ride long distances regularly and want car-like cruise control. Skip this one if you only ride short commutes or want something quick and cheap. For frequent tourers, it's worth every penny. Product number 3, B-Time Heavy Duty Lock. Alright, that was a high-end cruise system. But what if your main worry isn't comfort, it's someone stealing your bike while it's parked? That's where the B-Time Heavy Duty Lock comes in at just $16.68. This metal clamp locks onto your throttle and brake lever, physically preventing the bike from being ridden. It's made of CNC aluminum, waterproof, rust-proof, and fits handlebars up to 1.5 inches. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you park on the street or in sketchy areas, this is a visible deterrent that says, "Not today, thief." Unlike disc locks, it immobilizes both throttle and brake, making it way harder to hotwire and ride off. Over 100 sold last month, and it comes with a 365-day guarantee that tells you the brand believes in it. Now, some people say the key can be stiff or the fit isn't perfect on all grips. Here's the thing though, for under $20, you're getting serious theft prevention that's lightweight and easy to carry. It won't stop a trailer thief, but it'll stop casual joyrides. This is perfect for you if you need affordable, portable anti-theft protection for urban riding. Skip this one if you want electronic alarms or GPS tracking, it's purely mechanical. For the price, it's a no-brainer for peace of mind. Product number 4, Go Cruise GC A1BK. Now, if you want something between the Crampbuster and the Atlas, something that actually locks the throttle in place without breaking the bank, the Go Cruise GC A1BK at $41.32 is a smart middle ground. Made from CNC'd 6061 aluminum, it's lightweight but strong and installs in seconds with no tools. You squeeze it to engage and it holds your throttle steady. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It gives you real cruise assist on highways without the $200 price tag. It's not full cruise control like the Atlas, but it's way more secure than the Crampbuster. The silicone ring adds grip and the universal design fits most bikes. Only 50 sold last month, so it's not the most popular, but that doesn't mean it's not good. Now, some riders say it can slip if over-tightened or on very smooth grips. Here's the thing though, if you install it correctly and check it periodically, it's reliable for long rides. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, tool-free throttle lock for touring without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need thumb-activated control or anti-theft features. It's purely for comfort. For under $50, it's a solid upgrade from basic models. Product number 5, Atlas Bottom Kit. Finally, the Atlas Bottom Kit, also $199.03, but designed for bikes where the top kit doesn't fit. It's the same high-quality stainless steel build, thumb-activated cruise control, and bolt-on installation, just mounted lower on the handlebar. You still get incremental speed adjustments, full throttle control, and rock-solid engagement. It's not discontinued, and the brand supports it with detailed fit guides. Now, some people are frustrated by having to check compatibility first. Here's the thing though, Atlas provides a full PDF guide to match your bike model, so it's not guesswork. If it fits, it works flawlessly. This is perfect for you if you want premium cruise control, but the top kit won't clear your controls. Skip this one if your bike already fits the top kit. No need to overcomplicate. For serious riders with tricky setups, this is the answer. So which one's right for you? The Cramp Buster is great for cheap comfort on a budget. The B-Time Lock is unbeatable for anti-theft under $20. The Go Cruise offers solid mid-range performance. And if you're a long-distance rider, either Atlas kit is worth the investment. Just pick top or bottom based on your bike. Remember, the best throttle lock isn't the most expensive or the cheapest. It's the one that fits your ride and your needs. Stay safe out there.